Hey guys, today we're on a trip with the Newland RSA visiting Steve Key's personal collection, and we got a lot of stuff to have a look at today, so we're going to have a look around. It's got a wicked place here.
Yeah, he passed away. I don't know how time goes by so quickly. He passed away a few
So much
years
stuff
ago.
here, I don't know where to
He was very
start.
involved with the RSA.
The place is like a museum.
It is like a museum. Oh, let's have a look at these cars.
Yeah, we're going to have a look at some cars.
We've got some nice bikes down here. So, this place is well set up.
Don't forget to get our members.
No. Oh, an amazing place. Nice 32 Roadster here.
I think now, there's plenty of places that's all they do is racking. I don't know, say, you got a Tesla.
Is Kenny having ordinary stuff here or not?
Which is really
Oh,
fascinating.
that's true, yeah.
Oh, it's cool.
86 Roadster.
That's what this one.
Yeah,
Wow. It's got the Greyhound on the front.
yeah. It's a real deal.
That's cool. Wow.
Just racking with the other side.
And other signs as well, yeah.
Impressive, eh?
Very,
Impressive, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
don't know where to look.
Yeah, no.
So much stuff here.
Yeah, 36 high window coupe.
Help yourself to tea and coffee and biscuits there.
Oh, thanks.
Wow.
Yeah, collecting is like a disease.
The old buddy pump stone.
Signs and that, like, yeah,
The old fuel
I like
pumps.
everything. I like hot rods and vintage cars and motorbikes and racing and that. But the old gas stuff, I think
Anything
I,
old and interesting.
the old gas stuff, I think I love the most.
Yeah.
Like that garage in Hamilton's got the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got my Texaco tanker is down there.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Ah.
There's so much to look at here.
I've had quite a long time. It's set on a hoist at the back.
Oh, okay.
You have to
6
go.
years,
Wow.
For certification. You know, it's working my way through this, but it's torture. I mean, like my 40 Cuba at the time, same brake pedal like that.
A cool bike here.
Bike, with bell crank. And this one is, oh no, like, we want to, they're not happy with it, like the shaft with key brake. No, it had a roll pin.
Then it goes all the way upstairs as well.
My cousin down
I've got 2 key brakes.
years ago and sold it.
What do you want? They want to take the spline. So now they're all like that.
Yeah.
It's really tough.
It is tough.
You see why people get put off and just go, I'll run it.
Still doing the model?
And those
No, I buy collections as well as I get stuff.
There's so much cool stuff here.
Is it good for bringing us?
Oh, let's go for a wander around. That's a cool 32.
And did he collect or he got them?
It was a collection that had been collected for years. We had
There's stuff everywhere, isn't there?
Oh, amazing, isn't it?
Well done, Rodney.
Yeah, all good. Thanks for the invite, Rog.
That's all right, sir. Glad you were out of bed on time.
Good. Just trying to cover everything here. There's just so much to look at. Oh, it's cool.
I am, eh? This is small compared to some ones, isn't it? Yeah.
It's awesome. Back of the 32.
Yeah, no, that thing at Kevin's.
Sorry for the lack of commentary in this video. It's more of a visual experience and talking about cars this time around. It's definitely something very different. So yeah, we were invited out on a trip with the Newland RSA. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Be invited out to something like this. Walk around. If you're into the old gas pumps and old oil cans, man, this is cool. A lot of cool old gas pumps here.
Did they sell because they just couldn't sustain it? He'd be sold. Oh, even our silvered out one is gone now.
Yeah. Oh no, that's still there, sir.
Oh, is
Yeah,
it?
they sold all the sections off.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's sold.
They had a bit of land up there, so they sold off for development, which keeps it running for a bit longer.
Got models and all sorts. Old models and everything, yeah.
Oh, amazing, mate. What do you do with it? You put it on
YouTube and Facebook and that.
do you?
Yeah.
You got Henderson, you got
Amazing, mate.
Dewsbury, you got
You've got another shed full of cars too.
Yeah, this is only just the first little bit.
Roscoe, Whedon, everyone.
Yeah, so apparently there's a lot more to see than just this.
Steve also owns that Texaco van that's in the Hamilton Museum, and he bought that as a rusty old Hulk and completely rebuilt it.
Wow.
And he's got a few other vehicles down on the back garages too.
Yeah, we'll get to those eventually.
And
The Tectone one's nice, isn't it?
oh, it is nice, yeah.
It was in the Hotrod CRC show a few years ago.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Yeah.
And did you have a look around the top? Did
No,
you?
I haven't been up top yet.
Oh, yeah. But he's got some nice petrol pumps here, hasn't he?
Yeah, some
Oh,
cool
amazing,
stuff.
isn't it?
We can go upstairs, eh?
Yeah.
Ah, let's go upstairs.
Yeah.
Stephen's been doing this genetic code.
Oh, pictures and all sorts. We'll go upstairs and see what they got up here. And
Yeah, Coca-Cola.
oh, God,
A lot of nice signs.
stuff everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah.
Just trying to get everything in.
Yeah.
As I said, this is more of a visual thing than a talking thing.
Yeah. Amazing. Texaco.
No, Texaco.
All drum.
Yeah.
He would have went for a bit of buying in America for all this stuff.
Yep.
I'll call them mates, eh?
Yeah, I've still got that old Chrysler too. Yeah. From that Rambler guy.
Yes, yeah.
Good old shot from above.
Yeah, and there's Steve down there talking to Roger, the president of the New RSA.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very appreciated of being invited out on this today.
Yeah, that's good.
It's got to go to restoring that train.
Oh, some pretty cool photos and an old guitar case. I wonder if anything's in that.
Probably.
You know, the Rambler goes in and out like
The Texaco all drum there.
they rotate.
Yes, yeah.
Gee, he's got some great stuff, isn't it? Look at it.
Yeah, it's well set up, isn't it?
Oh. Yeah, that's a real man cave.
Oh, hell yeah.
This place sorts the men out from the boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Okay. Place to sit down and read your Hotrod magazines.
Yep. Nice comfy chairs.
Gasoline.
Someone out there will probably know about them.
Even the old guy, even the old screwing house they had in the hall. I got that shell sitting over triple. It's like it was pretty handle. And that, and there's another shell below that, like with the gas pump on it.
Got aerial shot of everything now.
Yeah. Oh. Lectures Haven.
Very impressive. Nice teddy bears. Very cool.
And that was walking out, he was driving, bigger drive. The people drive that.
Right, I think that's pretty much everything from in here, so we'll head over to the next garage. We'll be right back.